Deductive coding is a systematic approach used in qualitative research to analyze data by applying pre-existing codes or categories to the information being examined. This method begins with a theory or hypothesis, and specific codes are derived from it. As researchers collect data, they apply these predetermined codes to identify patterns or themes relevant to their research questions. Unlike inductive coding, which generates codes from the data itself, deductive coding focuses on testing established concepts and theories, allowing researchers to analyze their data in a structured manner. Deductive coding is widely used in fields such as psychology, sociology, and education, where researchers seek to evaluate existing theories or frameworks. For example, a researcher studying student motivation might use established psychological theories to create codes that categorize responses from interviews or surveys. This method allows researchers to validate or challenge existing theories by systematically comparing their data against well-defined expectations. Deductive coding can also be helpful in program evaluations, where specific outcomes are monitored against predetermined success indicators. Now let's look at some strengths of deductive coding. One of its main advantages is that it provides a clear framework for analyzing data, making the research process more efficient. Researchers can quickly identify whether their data supports or contradicts existing theories, leading to focused analyses and interpretations. Additionally, deductive coding enhances reliability because the use of standardized codes allows for consistent application across different datasets and researchers. It also permits researchers to test hypotheses effectively, contributing to robust scientific knowledge. Deductive coding, while useful, does have its drawbacks that researchers should consider. One significant weakness is that it can limit the exploration of unexpected themes or patterns in the data. Since the focus is on predetermined codes, researchers may overlook novel insights that do not fit existing categories. Another issue is that it might lead to confirmation bias, where researchers unconsciously favour data that supports their initial hypotheses while discounting information that contradicts them. Furthermore, the reliance on existing theories means that if those theories are flawed or overly simplistic, the analysis may also suffer as a result. In addition to deductive coding, there are several related concepts that can enhance understanding of qualitative analysis. Inductive coding is one such approach, where researchers develop codes directly from the data, allowing for a more open-ended and exploratory analysis. Another relevant concept is thematic analysis, which focuses on identifying and interpreting patterns across data, whether using deductive or inductive methods. Both approaches can be used complementarily. For instance, researchers might start with deductive coding to establish a foundation and then use inductive coding to refine their categories based on emerging insights. Together, these concepts create a richer framework for analysing qualitative data.